Good morning. We are in, guess where we are?
I know where I'm at. You asking me?
I'm asking them.
I drove here.
We're in Maryland. We're in Frostburg, Maryland. We're at the Riley trailhead. There's a rails to trail here.
It's a pretty famous one. It's the Gap. It's the Great Allegheny Passage.
Yeah.
It goes from Cumberland, Maryland to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And we're not far from Cumberland. We're at the Frostburg
trailhead, yeah.
Riley trailhead in Frostburg.
Yeah.
And we want to try out the new pistol wagon. We're not doing the whole rails to trail, just not yet. We might in the future, but we are kind of scouting it out to see what it's like. So we thought it'd be a good day to go for a bike ride, check out the trail, see what it's like. It looks really nice.
Yeah, really groomed right here anyway.
But first, I wanted to get up on the roof. If you saw a recent video we did where we installed that cargo carrier on the roof that says it's waterproof, we're going to find out today because I haven't opened it since we put everything in it. Gosh, I'm nervous.
Are you? Don't be nervous. Wow. I think it's dry.
Gosh.
This is crazy. Any moisture
No.
whatsoever? None. And no condensation either on this. This is what I was really worried about.
There's the tent and then
Nothing damp.
sleeping bags up there. These out.
Dry as a bone.
Bone dry up there. Wow.
I am really, really impressed. Like crazy.
I should have checked a long time ago. I've been nervous.
Yeah. Well, I call that a success. I cannot believe there's not any condensation or anything in here.
And then I got room for pistol trailer.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Wow.
Wow is right.
That worked out well.
Okay, we're not taking the Burley Nomad trailers today because we're not camping. So Dave's gonna put pistol on the back of his bike. And I will be trailer free. So let me show you what I got set up inside Pistol's trailer.
Crazy.
I've got a pistol cam here and a pistol cam here. So I'm testing both of these to see if they're too bouncy or what kind of angle I'm gonna get or where she's even gonna, like, is she gonna face forward, face backward? I don't really know because this is a lot bigger than the last one. So I'm excited to get her in it and give her a pull and see where she ends up there. Come on, baby. Get in. There we go, Mama.
You're a good girl. Okay, I'm already noticing something different about this trail.
What?
I'm coasting.
Yeah.
It's probably the most I've coasted on a bike trip.
So we gotta turn around now and come back.
Okay, so we left the trailhead there at Frostburg and we're riding down the hill towards Cumberland. We're not going to go all the way. Cumberland is, I think, 16 miles from here. That's the trailhead. And from the Cumberland trailhead, you can ride the Gap Trail that we're on to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, or you can take the C&O trailhead, which is the same place, and that's on the C&O towpath, and that will take you right to Washington, D.C. So those are both future bike trips that we'd like to do, but today we just wanted to get a feel for it. The Katy trail that we did in Missouri recently is fairly flat, and this one is not. It's a pretty big climb. I think if you start in Cumberland, it's like you're at 600 and some feet, and then I think I'll have to check, but I mean it's in a short distance. Do you know how far it is?
It's like 30-ish miles. It gets up to 2,300.
Yeah, but from Cumberland to the Frostburg, that's 16 miles, you're climbing to like 1,800 feet, from 600 to 1,800 feet.
Yeah.
Then the next 15, 16 miles or so, you climb to, I think, 2,100 or 2,300, something like that. Sorry, I don't know exactly.
There's a chart at the trailhead.
We'll show the chart. So it's a pretty big climb if you go this way from Cumberland to the second trailhead. But then it's a gradual decline all the way to Pittsburgh. So kind of like rip the Band-Aid off, I think.
Yeah.
Climb the climb.
Look how this trail is, though.
So far it's very smooth. It's not crushed limestone like the Katy. This is just a real fine gravel.
Yeah. This is just chill back there. I love it. Hi, baby. Hi. We found wild raspberries. Look at these.
Right?
Some are, for sure. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you test them.
Those are good. Some are a little sour. So good. Pistol, what did you think? Did you love it? I think this cameras might have been a little too close and at the wrong angle, but back to the van. Lunchtime. We may go down later and get some more raspberries. I didn't have anything to put them in, so I'm on a mission for raspberry pancakes maybe tomorrow. And you're gonna head out back on the bike and do some
No, there's a switchback that goes up.
Oh.
It's off the trail, so if you want to ride in town and get food. I'm gonna do some running sprints.
Oh, nice little brick workout.
A little bit, yeah.
Well, I have to say, this Burley tail wagon trailer was a huge success. Yay!
Yay! So happy.
Pistol, you're a happy girl. We wanted to show you the elevation chart here behind these pretty flowers.
The gap goes west, kind of northwest to Pittsburgh, or the C&O tow path, which is much flatter, goes from Cumberland kind of southeast and ends in Washington, D.C. So I'd like to do both, but we're going to be leaving here. Obviously it's not that steep, this is just a scrunched map, but you can do this and gradually grind all the way up and then descend that short distance, or you can, like I like to, just rip the Band-Aid off and then the rest of the trip easy peasy.
Yeah, we'll see. We're still throwing around some ideas. This wouldn't be till fall anyway because it's still too hot for like weeks long.
But it's cool because, I mean, this trail zigzags up through here to town, so people that are passing through can either camp here, there's a place to camp up here, or you can get to town that way. And there's sculptures. It's really cool.
So something this idea we're throwing around for later, but between now and fall, we might have something else brewing, but more on that later. Catch you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
carry on.